Hi, Judd here. I finally identified what my channel is. It's the mundane channel. I'm about to change the mechanism that makes the window go up and down. I spent a couple of periods cleaning off all the duct tape residue. And I gotta tell you, that new Dawn spray detergent works better than WD-40. Keep that in mind. I don't want that stuff to disappear. It's incredible. A nice dish to catch all the pieces. I'll pull out all these little tabs here. There's a nice video online at 1A Auto Parts on how to do this. There we go. Okay, that's what those look like. They're pressure fit plugs. Maybe not. I already got that one out. This thing's got to come off. Okay, that's a little snap fit on Phillips. There you are. This one's in at an angle. Didn't know how to get this thing off. It's tricky in here. There we go. Okay. There we go. Got that out. Pain in the butt. So, get that out. Okay. Oh yeah, I gotta get this thing out. Come on, baby. There we go. Good, okay, I pried up at the front end of this. There's a spring clip there. Gotta get that out and unplug it. Got a little clip right there. Okay, that just unplugs. Okay. Get that wire out, get this out of the way. Okay, the door panel lifts off. So this thing's got to come off. And you don't want to wreck this because it has to go back on. It's sort of got release glue on it. The regulator attaches here. All these gold bolts, I think, are part of the window regulator. I'm doing both passenger and driver's side rear windows, and they don't specify which one is which. So this came from 1A Auto, and I know at some point the window's got to go down. Ah, there it is. Hello. Okay, there's your regulator. Okay, and you gotta get at this bolt, and there's another bolt in there on the window you gotta get at. You gotta get all the way down, and then it is in there. So I gotta get, I think that's a 14 millimeter. 10 millimeter. Okay, 10 millimeter. Right. There we go. Okay. Glass is separated. There's little screws there with washers on them. I'll point out that beside each screw hole is a little tab that holds the device in place, aligns it so you can put the screws in. Okay, so you got one of those tabs, or you got a bunch of those tabs around here. And somewhere that device plugs in. Okay, there's a little pinch thing behind it. There we go. Okay, got little pinch tabs on it that hold it in place, and that's the line to the motor. them out now in pieces. Okay, it's stuck on something up there. And it is falling apart. Okay, it's in pieces, so something broke in there long ago. Wow. Yeah, I'd say something broke. Wow. And it's still hung up here on something. I don't know what. Oh, that was still hanging onto the glass. Okay, that's what that was. Okay. Okay, this is what was hung up. It was still hanging onto the glass. Okay. So this actually goes through a hole in the glass or something. Okay, so that's how this is all supposed to sit together here. I'm in pieces here. Okay, because this broke and fell apart. That goes in there. Okay, this kind of looks like I do have the correct one here. Okay, this is a little different than mine. Mine has a big ding on the end of this. You can see that big loop, and this one doesn't. So I don't know if that's going to make any difference. And the window bracket holders look a little different, or one of them does. Well, maybe this is supposed to come with me. Yeah, that's the glass holder. Okay, so I keep that. Greasy as hell. Okay, it goes in there very nicely. That comes out there. Yeah, looks like that's got to go there. I can hold something. Hard to hold on to the thing, it's so oily. Yes, this is missing the tab on the end. The holes line up. There you are. I don't think that's right. Yeah, it is. Easy. Just don't fit. Oh, no, there it is. There it is. There it is. We're going to put the bolt. One more. Yeah, okay. So you can go down here. Here. No? Yeah, I thought you wanted to go up there. Okay, you don't want to go up there. Okay, so you're going to go up here. What the hell? Yeah, I want to clean that before I put it together. This stuff. better than WD-40 for cleaning duct tape, cement, glue, residue off of the windows. And I even used it to clean my false teeth. It did a better job than the stuff you're supposed to use for that. Okay. Okay, so there's that tab. Oh, I see, they replaced one of those tabs with an aftermarket job. That has to go down to here. There we go. That one's in. And yes, I should have done the other one first. There you go. Okay, there's a hole in the glass for those to pop into. Okay, you see this bolt has an extra shiny part on it where it goes through the glass. Get alignments off on this one a little bit. There we go. Okay. Good. So all bolts back in. Okay. And windows working. Okay, so everything working there. And just think, I get to do this all again tomorrow on the other side. Installed. This goes here. Comes through here. I'm going to go get some special tape of mine and help this out a bit. This is monster clear tape. Okay, so that first hooks up here. Alright. Get your wires through, make sure your wires are through, make sure your door handle is through. Alright. Up into place. Okay. Okay, on this, the front end has to go in first and push forward. Okay, that's true for all four of them on all four doors. Plugs go back in. The shorter angled one goes in here, goes this way. Okay, good. Plugs in a lot easier. And then my control and the back end goes in first and the front pops down. Okay. And there you go. And finally, after months and months and months and months and months, I have a working window. Oh, and don't forget Dawn, good stuff. Oh, final bezel. Okay, there you go. Happy day to you.